Students, today we are going to study the new topic of the second chapter, overpopulation. Okay, the word overpopulation itself defines that the place or the area or a state or any country where the population is more than its resources. Okay, let us see now the introduction of the overpopulation. In nature, there should be a state of balance between population and available resources in a particular area. Only then can the available resources satisfy the needs of all the people living in that area. Is it? There should be total balance. Is it? So this is called optimum population. It means if population and the resources both are equal to utilized by the people of that area or fulfill the needs of the people, then that is known as optimum population. But a little deviation from this state, either maybe some percent, if this optimum population has got deviated, change, then it give rise to two conditions. Okay, which are that two conditions? First is overpopulation and second is underpopulation. Okay students, let us see first what is overpopulation. When the population of an area is more than what the available resources of that area can support, then that condition is called overpopulation. Okay, means population is more but available resources are not enough to fulfill the needs of the people, then we call it overpopulation. Okay students, now what are the reasons or what are the causes of overpopulation? How this overpopulation of a place increase? First is increase in birth rate. It means there is continuous increase in birth rate at that place, maybe decrease in death rate and migration of people to the area. Migration of people to the area means from the outside, maybe that place or city has been or country have been so much developed that the people from the nearby, maybe villages or other cities, have migrated here for maybe further studies or for some job opportunities. Okay, so these are the three causes of overpopulation. Okay, increase in birth rate, decrease in death rate and migration of people to the area. Okay, migration is into that place. Now the countries with high population may not be considered overpopulated. Why? Because this country may have enough resources to support its high population with a good quality of life. Maybe some countries are having high density of population. Is it? You know that USA stand on the third position. China is the first most populous country, then second is India and third is USA. But USA has enough resources to fulfill the needs of the people. Is it? And give them a with good quality of life. So other hand, countries which are otherwise not overpopulated, maybe some countries are not totally not overpopulated, but maybe some region in that country are overpopulated. Such overpopulated regions are found in which places? Developed countries. Is it? The countries which are well developed, China, USA, Japan. Whole country we can't say that they are overpopulated. Okay, only few regions. Okay, so that place can't be considered as a, or that city can not be considered as a overpopulated. Okay, now let us see what are the impact of overpopulation. Impact means effects of overpopulation, means if a place or city population is more than, what are the effect on the whole country? Overpopulation put pressure on the natural resources such as cultivable land, fresh water and mineral resources, and due to that what happen? It results in their degradation and depletion. If population will be more, the resources will slowly decrease. Is it? Even for the land, fresh water, mineral resources. Is it? Secondly, increase in cultivable land. The people of that area or farmer will try to increase cultivable land for the increasing population. So what he will do? Deforestation will lead. They will cut the trees for increasing land. And if deforestation will occur, then what will be there? Extinction of plant and animals species will be there. Rainfall decrease, because you know the trees attract rainfall, increase the humidity, and even soil erosion will also increase. So this is the second impact. Third, the increase in number of factories. If at that place for fulfilling the job opportunities to the people, they are increasing the factories, but it will result in industrial pollution. This will be the third impact. Fourth, overpopulated countries also lead to the unemployment and poverty. Poverty means poorness. The people will, most of the people even would don't have any job opportunities. And the last impact, it will also lead to the shortage of food, shelter, educational and healthcare facilities, and some other basic amenities. Amenities means facilities, which in turn affect the quality of life. So people will try to adjust or live in that condition, but they may not have a good quality. So that will affect the quality of life also. Okay, students. So this is all about the overpopulation.